Hey guys, today let's make macaron without almond poodle or powdered sugar, mainly just with 3 ingredients. So here are the ingredients. First you'll need 2 big bowls to mix in. One is to put in and then one is for hot water. Then you'll need a mixer. You can use like a normal mixer, but I'd rather use a mixer. Then you'll need your weight, make sure it works. Now this is your first real ingredient, your egg. You'll need your egg white, not your egg yolk. Next you'll need your sugar, and you'll need the 2 times of the amount of your egg. This is your third real ingredient you need. It's the flour. You will need the same amount as your egg. So first, you'll want to put your egg white into your bowl. Make sure you know the weight because that will be like your base of your macaron. My egg white was 32 grams total. Of course, it may weigh more or less, but your egg to sugar to flour should be 1 to 2 to 1 ratio. So now you want to mix your egg white with your mixer. Make sure you mix the egg well. Now you want to put your hot water into your bigger bowl. Maybe like this much, just a little is fine. And put your egg white bowl into the big bowl and then mix again. So now put that to the side and bring your weight back again. And put another bowl on top and put it to 0 and let's weight the sugar. Since my egg white was 32 grams, your sugar should weigh around 60 to 64 grams. So after you weight your sugar, you'll want to put your sugar into your egg white just a little bit at a time. Mix together until all of your sugar is in your bowl. The mixing is really important to do so that the egg and the sugar won't melt. This is what you want at the end. When you put your mixer in and then put it up, it will go up and then bow like this. Now let's weight your flour. Since our egg white was 32 grams, your flour should also weigh 30 to 32 grams. weight the flour, you'll want to put your flour all in at the same time in your egg white and your sugar mixture. Now this part is pretty important. That's after the mixing. It's called macaron. You'll want to mix like this. You'll want to cut, scoop, and repeat that process. Make sure you don't mix too much. When it becomes good, when you lift it up, you should see like a triangle, like this. Here, since I want to make it a little bit kind of chocolate, I'm gonna put my cocoa in. Of course, this one's optional. If you just want like a plain macaron, white plain macaron, then you don't have to put anything. If you want to make it orange or something, you can put those essence in right now. Do the macaronage again now. When you mix all of them together, get a plastic bag that you can put your mixture in. And make sure you also have a cup so that you can just like put the tip in so that it will be way easier to put your mixture in. Make sure you don't forget to roll so that even if it spills, it won't be a big mess. Put all of your mixture in and make sure there's no leftovers in the bowl. Now get your oven rack and your cooking sheet out and squeeze your mixture out on the cooking sheet. Cut the corner and start making your favorite shape. I'm gonna make a lot of bears since I like to make animals. To make a bear, first make your face and the two ears. after you squeeze out all of your mixture, put your macaron in the oven just to dry. You don't really have to do anything, you just have to put it in for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, it should look like something like this, and it shouldn't stick to your fingers. If it still does, maybe put it in for a little bit more time, like 30 more minutes or 1 more hour. So when yours dry, get your macaron out and preheat your oven for 260 degrees Fahrenheit or 130 degrees Celsius. After you preheat, put your macaron in and maybe for about 15 minutes, leave it in there. While that 15 minutes is going on, get 2 bowls out and let's make your ganache. There's a lot of ways to make it, but my way is to put dark chocolate in, just about 30 grams. Then put your hot water into your bigger bowl and put your smaller ball into your bigger bowl and melt the chocolate. If needed, you can always use your microwave, maybe like 10 seconds at a time. And after you melt your dark chocolate, put your milk in. Just like 1 teaspoon's fine. So just pour it in. The easiest way is to just use milk chocolate, but I like this mixture of dark chocolate and milk. Just put it on the side for now when you're done mixing. This is what the macaron looks like in the oven right now. So this is what it looks like after the 15 minutes. After it cools up, you'll want to make a pair of the macarons top and bottom. And now you'll want to put your ganache in that you made earlier. You should put a lot in so that you can like taste the ganache a lot. But if you don't have enough, then don't put too much in. So now your macaron is complete. Put it in your favorite bowl and enjoy. Today I made macaron without almond, poodle, or powdered sugar. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Bye!